What's up, everybody? This is Jeremy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an application. This is called Xslimmer. It's kind of like monolingual, but it's a better application than monolingual, I think. I'll go ahead and show you up here in the menu bar real quick. You can have it check for updates. You can enter your registration, your license information, and then you've got your preferences. You can have it automatically check for updates when it starts, which is definitely a good idea. You can set where you want your backups to be when you can back up applications, which I'll show you all that in a second. Install from read-only volumes and disk images, and you can set the location you want to install to, and I'll show you that in a second. You can have it ask to replace the application if you already have it. You can have it never replace it, or you can have it always replace it. Then you've got a blacklist here of applications that don't function properly after you use Xslimmer on it, and you can have it check. I have it check always. That way it doesn't slim down applications that won't work if you slim them down. Even though if it does, it's okay because you can use a backup, which I'll show you in a second. You can exclude applications on here that you don't want to accidentally slim. You can purge your history. I'll show you all the history stuff in a second. Then you can set over here what languages you want to keep, and I only want English. You can have it slim architecture, languages, or both, which I would do both. You can have it compress. You can have set the operation options right here, and then you can enable or disable the sounds. Up here you can close it, basic edit. You can add and remove applications from here. Most of this stuff here you can actually get from the main interface. Then your basic window, and then your help file over here on the help tab. So you can go in here and drag applications, and it will actually slim down the applications, and it will actually speed up your apps quite a bit. It'll strip out the architectures that you don't need. Like if you're on a fully 64-bit system, it'll take all the PowerPC coding out. It will take out all the languages that you don't need. You can drag them in here, or you can actually use this Genie and it'll import those. I just ran this a little bit ago, and I'm going to show you guys in a second all of what I saved on mine. Go up here and click clear, and it'll actually clear out any that can't be slimmed down once you import all those. You can have it stop if it's importing. You can highlight it and click go into history. I'll go to history in a second. You can highlight an app that you've got that's been slimmed down and click info, and it'll actually show you the information on that, like how much it saved, how much it took out, all of that. Go into your history, and you can see the version of the app, the initial size, and then the final size, and then it shows you how much you saved. It shows you the date that you slimmed it. You can actually click here, and it will bring up the app. It'll show you the app in Finder. You can go here, and if the application isn't working, you can click on this little arrow circle thing. It'll actually restore it back the way it was before, so the app will work. And if, say, UView doesn't work after I slim it, I can back it up, and then on top of that I can click right here and it'll actually report it, and then they will know that it's an app that can't be slimmed down, and then they can blacklist that. Save you time from trying to slim stuff that isn't going to work. But let me see. Let me bring up Shovebox real quick. This is some of what I saved on here. Address book went from 5.5 megabytes down to under 1.5. Aperture from 288 megabytes all the way down to 104. I'll just let you look at that list real quick and let you check that out. Okay, you can pause it if you want to read through all those. But this is definitely a really cool application, because not only does it slim everything down, but if you accidentally slim something down that won't work because you slimmed it down, it's very easy to back up and restore that app back to its previous state. So you're going to significantly speed up your apps. You're going to save a lot of storage on your hard drive, and you can even, I just downloaded an app here. Instead of dragging this into the applications, you can actually drag it into here, and it will go ahead and slim it for you as it installs. And you click slim, and it took it down about 1.1 megabytes. So not a big difference on that one, but every little bit over time is going to save you space. It's going to speed that app up. And it's really cool that you can actually install your application through here and have it slim down as you install it. So definitely check this out and tell me what you guys think about it. This is an application I highly recommend to anybody that wants to speed up their computer, wants to save some space on their hard drive, and do it in a really cool, easy way. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll have more videos for you guys soon. Thanks.